Hello, I'm going to be conducting an argument on university track athletes and supporting my reasoning. So for premise 1, university track athletes must work hard to be successful in competitions. Premise 2, I am a university track athlete. Conclusion, therefore I must work hard in order to be successful in competitions. This is a sound argument. To start, the first premise is true based on the knowledge that one must work hard in order to have any hope of doing well in a competition. You also need to be willing to work hard in order to get on a university track team. Next, the second premise is also true, as I am a member of the Trinity Western track team. I compete in the heptathlon, which consists of 7 events over 2 days. Finally, the conclusion is true. As an athlete, I work hard every day in order to have a chance of being successful in my event, knowing that if I do not, I will have no shot at doing well. This argument is also valid since the conclusion must be true if the two premises are true. In order for the first premise to be false, it must be possible for someone to be successful at track without trying. Logically, this is not possible, since track becomes extremely difficult and competitive at the university level, with some athletes attempting to qualify for nationals and the Olympics. Similar, in order for the second premise to be false, I must not be a track athlete. This can easily be disproven since I am currently signed to the Trinity track team and have been training as a member for 2 months now. Since the two premises are proven to be true, the conclusion must also be true. There is no possible way the conclusion could be false. Not only is the conclusion true, but it also follows logically from the two premises. It is known that if all university track athletes have to work hard to be successful, and I am one of those track athletes, then I must also work hard in order to be successful, with no exceptions. Thank you for listening.